You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this name from Demon Slayer. If you want to learn more character names from the series, we've got them all here, so stay tuned to the channel. And if you want to learn the name of the series in Japanese, how to say it properly, stay tuned. Japanese pronunciation: Muzan, Muzan, Kibutsuji, Kibutsuji, Muzan, Kibutsuji. So the pronunciation in English: Muzan, Kibutsuji, Kibutsuji, Muzan, Kibutsuji. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.